Hi guys, I'm GK. You're most welcome on my YouTube channel GK Video Creator. Today I'm going to unbox Dji Pocket-2. It's really an amazing product for the people who like to make traveling videos. Before watch this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell notification icon so you can get my all videos notifications when I'll upload. So like my video, so please like it and share with your friends. Let's start. Now I'm going to unbox the Dji Pocket-2. I already used it before. There are two types of packets of Dji Pocket-2. One is Pocket-2 and second is Pocket-2 Combo. Pocket-2 is 2,899 Hong Kong dollar and Pocket-2 Combo is 3,999 Hong Kong dollar. Before, I bought Pocket-2 Combo, but it was broken. Now I just bought Dji Pocket-2 because I had accessories from Pocket-2 Combo. In combo pack, we get more accessories with Pocket-2. I'll show you all the accessories that I got in Pocket-2 and Pocket-2 Combo. This is Dji Pocket-2. This is a wonderful product for anyone who loves to make travel videos. Its shape is just like its name. We can keep it in our pocket. This is 3-axis stabilized camera, Active Track 3.0 AI editor that we can use in our mobile, excellent image quality and DJI Pocket Stereo. And Pocket-2 will get 1 to 1.7 inch sensor, 64 megapixel camera. We can shoot 4K videos in 60 frames per second, hybrid AF, and when taking 64 megapixel photos, the stabilized camera takes sharp 8 times zoom shots. Now I'm going to take out the accessories from the box. With Pocket-2 I got mini control stick, cover for Pocket-2, tripod mount, wrist strap, smartphone adapter, lightning, it's used for Apple iPhone, adapter Type-C, power cable. And in combo pack I got mini control stick, cover for Pocket-2, tripod mount, wrist strap, smartphone adapter lightning used for Apple iPhone, adapter Type-C, USB splitter, charging cable Type A to Type-C, wireless microphone windscreen, do it all handle, it's used for wireless connectivity, wide angle lens and micro tripod. How is my video? Please write down in the comment box. If you really like my video, so please like it, subscribe it and press the bell notification icon. Thanks for watching.